Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel, हर मौसम की अनमोल बात. Life teaches you a new lesson every day. If you are attentive enough in the class of life, problems are not stop signs; they are guidelines. When life knocks you down, try to land on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life is a cycle of happiness, sadness, hard times, and good times. If you are going through hard times, have faith that good times are on the way. Everyone has inside them a piece of good news. The good news is you don't know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is. Life has taught me that you can't control someone's loyalty. No matter how much good you are to them, doesn't mean that they will treat you the same. Hard time always lead to something great. No matter how much they mean to you, doesn't mean that they will value you the same. Sometimes the people you love the most turn out to be the people you can't trust the least. You are going to go through tough times. That's life. But I say, nothing happens to you. It happens for you. See the positive in negative events. When hardship keep coming back, do not take it personally. It's just life. If someone is strong enough to bring you down, show them you are strong enough to get back up. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. I'll tell you something about tough times. They just about kill you. But if you decide to keep working at them, you will find your way through. Never regret something that once made you smile. The first step to greatness is believing that greatness exists within you. A problem is a chance for you to do your best. I have no regrets in my life. I think that everything happens to you for a reason. The hard times that you go through build character, making you a much stronger person. Life's challenges are not supposed to paralyze you. They are supposed to help you discover who you are. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.